2 sneaky psychology techniques to instantly win people's favor. These methods wield substantial influence, but exercise them in moderation to avoid appearing contrived. The first technique, it may sound unbelievable, but when engaged in a one-on-one conversation, praising a third person who isn't present can work wonders. For instance, if you remark, "Our friend Mike exudes such positive energy," or "Ashley possesses remarkable beauty," the person you're conversing with will unconsciously attribute those favorable qualities to you. The second technique is the Ben Franklin effect. People tend to feel more positively about you when they perform a favor for you, even if it's a minor one. It could be as simple as requesting, "Could you hold my drink for a moment?" The individual you ask will find themselves favorably disposed towards you, as their brain automatically assumes they like you since they've done you a favor. These tactics, though straightforward, tap into the subconscious, aiding in the formation of positive associations.